analysis how the market's going on right now. Clover is doing exceptionally well, guys. Just really awesome. Okay, I'm really excited about things. Very excited. I hope that this actually is, and we can.
Some days there's no one
Oh,
else who loves me like you used to. Some days I'm not myself. There's no one I can turn to. And I know all the feelings that we shared are in the past. And I know your relationships are never meant to last.
all right, guys. So I'm not sure. Okay, I think you guys can see me. Fantastic. Awesome, everyone. Doing very well. Okay, so Clover has been doing exceptionally well. We are at 11%, everyone. 11 freaking percent, guys. That is pretty awesome. I really enjoy seeing, having days like this. It's like we are going forward, okay? Okay, I'm not very sure what exactly happened, but I think I am. Oh, I think I know what happened. We are on live, but another live. Wait, what? Okay, it's okay. It's okay. All good. Everything's good, guys. Everything's good, everybody. Really awesome. Very excited about how things are moving right now. Clover is at 12%. Like kind of like days where I think it might hit 100 freaking percent. You get what I mean? 100% kind of day. But let's not have a hope high. It's calm, right? 12% doing exceptionally well. Very excited about everything. Oh, they're at 12%. Okay, so it's been a while since last time back. Hi, what's going on, guys? Okay, yeah, it's been a while. Welcome back to the lesson. Okay, let me do a pop-up again. Apologies. How are you guys? How is everybody? Clover is fine, doing pretty extremely well. What is this? Let's take a look at AMC. Doing very well as well. Okay. There's no. Okay. I think we are excited, right? Okay, so right now let's take a look at the Referral, right? And we're at 12%. Not feeling we're gonna go up to that. So a good 15%. MC is doing 6%, close to 50. Clover, this is the 1 minute chart. We have been climbing and we see no sign of slowing down. That is, yeah. Let me know if the music is too loud. Not sure whether the music is too loud for you guys. Please just let me know. Alright, mic test, everyone. Hi. How's the mic is live? I good.
I'm not the girl that I used to be. Sometimes I'm more than words. I'm beyond what I once was.
Okay.
I don't believe in
That's
love.
it.
Hey, hey. If I want something, I got it. Hey, hey. Oh, baby, have me, love me. Hey, hey. Cause your love, I cannot buy it. Wasn't real, wasn't real. With you, boy.
Give
Real,
me
wasn't
1 second.
real. With you, boy. You won't give me too much chances. I don't care. I'm fine, I'm fancy brighter.
Hello,
Yeah,
hello.
yeah, yeah. Oh, boy. I'm telling you goodbye. I'm telling you goodbye.
Hello, Tina. Hello, everyone. Back, uh, Last session. Hello, hello. What's going on, guys? Test. I just want to test my mic. I'm not sure. I don't think my mic is, eating into the thing. Okay. Hey guys, I'm not sure what happened to my mic. Just internet. Give me 1 second. Hi, did Leroy. Yes, I'm back. My man. But do give me a while. I'm seeing my mic at some YouTube. Ah, this problem.
Okay, what's up, guys? I think is done. I think all is good. I think I solved it. Did I? Okay, guys, I am back. I think the voice sounds pretty awesome. Sorry for the. I think I had some problem with, my mic, and just it sounds terrible. And I think it sounds pretty good now. I hope you like the music. Just have some hype music. Been rather busy over the past couple of weeks, but nevertheless, I think it is okay. No need to look in the market. Look into the market every single day. Let me be more focused on here. GameStop. How are you guys? Okay, I make a silly mistake just now. I schedule a live session, and then somehow on my I use OBS Streamlab, right? I just click start stream, and then like somehow it just start for me. So I don't know how to find the chat box. So never mind, right? I'm pretty sure you guys just stop there and have fun. I'll be able to look because I'm looking into it right now. Yeah, it's public. It's everyone can get access to it. So it's party time, guys. What's going on, everybody? I hope you guys are doing exceptionally well. It's really exciting time. Oh yes, yeah, here it is. Here we are. I'm gonna pop up the chat. I'm gonna do everything right. It's been a while. It's a bit rusty right now, but not to worry. Hey, awesome. Okay, please give me 1 second. Okay, I'm gonna feature you guys one by one. Hold up. Hold your horses, people. But today has been pretty awesome day. Okay, this is. Nice. Okay, I'm pretty sure you guys see this. Oh yes, I'm back, people. No more rustiness, eh? I'm back, people. Hey. I'm just gonna. It's a bit small. Hey, awesome. Very excited to be back. It's been a while. I've been quite busy. Let me see the property over here. What is the filler? Okay. Yeah, hello Leon. I hope you are still there watching the market together with me. Okay. So let's just look into the market and see how it goes. Clover is hovering around 10%. I hope that after, oh my gosh, it hits this particular lower band of the Bollinger Band, then it continues to go up. But 10%, I take that. You guys take that, right? You guys, I definitely take that 10%. Awesome 10%. Okay, let's take away the MACD, the RSI, but it's bouncing back towards the what is that? The VWAP. So I'm very excited about it. GameStop is wow, very choppy. GameStop. Okay, this is Clover. Let's take a look at some of the text. What's that? EV stock. So NIO. Just now, one of you guys mentioned about NIO. Very exciting. Hello, Nicholas. I think Nicholas is new to here. So what's up, Nicholas? Yo, what's up, Marcus? Welcome back, brother. Hello, guys. Hey, the legend is back. Duke Leroy, what's up? What's going on, Duke Leroy? How are you? It's been a while since the last, connect with you guys via, live. I did a video recently about how we allocate our salary and stuff like that. I'm still in the midst of editing. But just gotta wait for it because pretty busy with stuff. Neo is up $41, 2.73%. So awesome. Yep, Nicholas, I think you're new here. So Leon, I believe you guys here. Neon, Nicholas. Yeah, bro, Neo is up by 2.68%. So kudos to Neo, but Clover, the white line, by the way, the white line is I hope you guys can see. Oh wait, hold up, I never changed. See, still very rusty. So the white line is the VWAP, and then the Bollinger Band, this tree. So it bounces off the VWAP. So today it's gonna be a good day. Today it's gonna be a party day. It's been a while, so let us look through the market and see what is going on to the market sentiment and stuff like that. So let's go through it together, shall we? So again, now let's see. Okay, market sentiment driven by markets are currently driven by sentiment rather than fundamentals, said analysts. Is it too loud for you guys? Let me know if it is too loud. Yeah, this is the sort of like the. Ooh. Okay. Okay. Pretty sure you guys can hear. All right. So let's look at the market sentiment. So earning growth is key to market going higher. The window for Fed's tapering is closing, and yeah, let's see. So let's watch some of the video and see what they are talking about. Ready on Biden's 3.5 trillion bill, Texas and more. So I think general sentiment seems to be pretty good. Let's see over here. Okay, so stock market, sign up for unlock benefits, yada yada. Okay. How to exit, how to get it out. How to get it out. Hey. Okay. Now, Wall Street opens flat, worried over slowing economy recovery. Yada yada yada. Okay. ABB commissions this rupee plunge 35 raised to close this. So, okay, some places in the market hasn't been doing very well, but generally I think seems pretty good. Again, I would like to say that Clover seems to be doing really well, bouncing off the VWAP. Likewise, AMC. Let's take a look at the VWAP. Where is the VWAP for AMC? Yeah, so it bounces off the VWAP. So I think the market, these two stocks seems to be doing very well in terms of. You look at this for Clover, they are going higher lows and higher highs over here. They drop back down. A lot of people are worried, myself included, and then it starts to bounces back up. So I hope that it's gonna be another 10 to 20% today. Let's see if managed to go break this particular $10. Is going to be an awesome night for all of us. GameStop a bit slowing down. New at 41. I think it's just gonna hover around this price. Let's take a look at Tesla. Tesla went up around 2% as well, so looks pretty good. Yeah. Okay, so just want to update you guys. For those of you who are watching, thank you so much for watching. But just want to update everyone. Okay, just want to update everyone. I have been rather busy with school projects a lot of school projects right now. I'm currently in university and currently juggling with a lot of portfolios on my side. I play football. I'm the football captain in one of my hall, and I'm currently taking up other portfolio like financial control and stuff like that in my school. So this is like sort of like the peak period for all of us, and more so we have a lot of projects and schoolwork, so I'm trying to juggle that part. So I give myself some time before I focus on YouTube, but definitely I just did a video recently, so I think I hope you guys are waiting for it. If not, yeah, and also I do have clients to meet, so I've been servicing my clients because some of the matters. So I've been rather busy, but it's good, kind of busy. And but then I just created a video, so it's good. It's good. Yeah. So let's see if. Oh, that we have a subscriber. Upvotes to you. Let's just subscribe. Thank you, brother. No answer, just subscribe. Oh wow, I'm very excited about this. Thank you so much for subscribing to the channel. Pretty sure we are all on the same boat, moving towards a better finance journey. Okay, so hey, Leon is here lah. Neil bro, yeah bro, Neil is doing pretty well. Hope 100%. I do hope so. I do hope 100%, but if it doesn't give us 100%, I think it's okay. All right, I mean, I'm not too worried about it. So let's watch this. Okay, so let's wait for it to load and then we watch it. Okay, while waiting for for it to load. Ah, come on, man. Hold up. It's advertisement. It's very loud advertisement, and yep. Okay, we end in 6 seconds apparently, but come on, man. Show me something. Oh, come on, guys. Okay. I think he's doing... It says 6 seconds, but it has been so long. What's going on, man? This is a problem with, all this website. Earning growth is key. Market is going higher. BMO Ramos. Let's watch. Please, please, please. No advertisement, please. Come on, man.
Let's bring in for more on the markets, BMO Global Asset Management CIO Ernesto Ramos and Jefferies Chief Market Strategist David Zervos. Guys, it's great to have you both with us this morning. Great to see you.
Right here.
David, let me begin with you because all these different cross currents, inflation, we mentioned the labor and chip shortages, Delta, peaking growth, taper, vaccine efficacy, and of course the jobs number. Is your view for the fall markedly either pessimistic or optimistic?
I wouldn't say it's markedly either, Carl. I'd say it's kind of steady as she goes with me, at least. I sort of stood back after Q1 and really thought that there was going to be a much slower job growth creation storyline, mainly coming from the fact that I thought businesses would be able to get by with less workers. I mean, if you look at GDP, and we've talked about this before on the show, we're actually at record highs in GDP. So we're producing more than we produced in Q4 of 2019 with 6 million odd less workers or 5 million odd less workers than we had before the pandemic. So businesses have become more productive. They figured out how to do this. And I think the story that's missing from a lot of what you guys were talking about in the beginning of this, was, as it relates to the job market, is that yes, there's a bunch of high-profile guys calling for, we need more cheap labor, but they've actually been able to earn a lot and make a lot, record amounts, in fact, record earnings and record stuff with that. And I think that's an important forward thought because it suggests that maybe we don't need to hire back as many of those people, and this is going to be a slower process, and it's less about the demand side and more about the supply side. At least that's my narrative.
Interesting. Well, that would have ramifications, Ernesto, for certainly corporate profits, which is the one that, and I guess bond issuance.
Sorry guys,
the saving
it's a
grace
bit
in this
laggy.
environment right now. How much of that do you think acts as a salve for the markets?
Well, I think earnings growth is the key to this market going higher, as well as a lot of support from the Fed. I mean, the Fed has proven to be the investor's best friend, and right now we're in a state of flux between the labor market with the pace of tapering.
Oh, come
with
on.
interest rate hikes, with the infrastructure bill, a lot of uncertainties about what's going to happen at what speed that going to happen. But the one thing that's been constant is earnings growth. So that's going to keep propelling the market as long as it stays there. The question is, how much is in the price? And arguably, a lot of that is in the price already because the markets are trading at high valuations. But there is really no alternative to equities at this point. Even though equities are expensive, they're less expensive in relative terms than
The 10-year Treasury note increase.
to the market. And our take, BMO's take, is the fact that you want to be exposed to the market, but you don't want to overpay for stocks. So we're buying quality value stocks at this point, meaning companies that have solid business models, solid operating earnings, and are trading at the discount to their peers. That's what we're focused on.
The importance of on-time delivery is paramount. Infrastructure.
Okay guys, so so the difference, I think okay, the previous video, it says that, you know, the market sentiment generally is market is generally moving on sentiment rather than fundamental, because fundamentally a lot of stocks hasn't been earning a lot of money simply because of COVID. But you know, I think we buy into Clover, AMC. I think there isn't a lot of fundamental to talk about, but more so it's about the sentiment, the hype. And if enough hype, enough sentiment, then I think we can go to the right direction. I think just now, wow, you know, watching, I think Nicholas, do you think he's wearing pants or just underwear? Dude, I don't know. Are you wearing one? Okay, so Duke Leroy asks, okay, with our $10 bet is okay, so what's the difference between S&P 500 and S&P futures? So okay, so I believe you guys are aware what are futures, right? So futures tracks the underlying security. So okay, so first we break it down for people who are new to stock. Okay, let's go to our trusted. So what are futures? And then we look into what are futures, S&P 500. What are futures? Okay, now, okay, let's go. So what are future contracts? Derivative financial contracts that obligate the parties to transact an asset predetermined future date. Wait. I'm trying to find the correct definition for all of us to follow. A future contract is standardized legal agreement to buy or sell something at a predetermined price. S&P 500 futures. Okay, so if you use Tiger, MOOMOO, or whatever, I think you would encounter something like ooh, hold on, let me change the song a little bit. It's a bit too hype. Okay, so you encounter, like, you know, S&P 500 futures, or some of them mini. Okay, so those basically futures, they track the underlying securities, and it is not how should I make it simpler for beginner trader, right? Okay, first of all, there's S&P 500, then there's S&P 500 mini. Mini is like a broken down version of the S&P. So say S&P is right now is, what's the price now? Has it go all-time high already? Okay, I think this definition would answer for everybody. Easy enough, I think. Yeah. Okay, S&P 500 futures are a type of derivative contract that provides a buyer with an investment price based on expectation of 500 index future value. S&P futures are closely followed by all type of investors and financial media, yet all of us follow, right? Can use S&P futures to speculate on future value in S&P by buying or selling futures contract. Investors who have two choices when seeking S&P 500 futures offers future contract known as big contract, yada yada yada. Okay, so one of the most liquid, most traded futures products in the US. The futures product track benchmark index of S&P 500. Now, this is where Duke Leroy asked the question, what is the difference? So the difference is that the futures product tracks the benchmark index of S&P 500. Hey, yep. Okay. To begin with, S&P 500 tracks the top 500 companies in US. Correct? So that's S&P 500. They track the top 500, and the futures tracked the S&P 500. So you see the effect. So S&P 500 track the top 500 company, and the futures track S&P 500. Duclear asked a question. So it's like commodity futures. Yeah, correct. It's like that, where it tracks a certain commodity. It tracks the underlying security. Then all this is a little bit complicated. Two sizes contract with 250 times multiplier, smaller e contract. So 1/5 of the size of the contract lah. Right. So I think this one sums it up. Okay, it's S&P 500 futures. S&P contract is based on market contract for S&P futures trading. It is priced by multiplying the S&P 500's value by 250. So for example, if S&P is at a level of 2,500, then the market value for future contract is this. E futures would be this, and stuff like that. Yep. Why, Duke Leroy? You wanna get some S&P 500? Getting to buy some S&P 500? Do you wanna get that? Still loving this, man. Looks like you know, AMC has dropped, definitely. Let me check. And Clover has dropped below the VWAP, but let's see how, you know, it's gonna go for the rest of the day. NEO drop as well, but still maintain at around 2%. NEO haven't really dropped, but look at GameStop. It's freaking disgusting, guys. What the frick? What the frick? Look at GameStop. No cap. Look at GameStop. It's quite ridiculous. Damn. Wow, it looks very... What happened, man? The sell volume is insanely high. Probably you know, the hedge funds or whatever people, they shorting all these stocks. Come on, man. The sentiment is there. Don't crazy, right? Don't kick yourself in the nut or butt, or whatever. Could have bought Nasdaq futures with 30x leverage. Yeah, could make something, definitely. I think when the market dropped back then, at the point of time whatever money in the bank I just put in the Nasdaq, not necessarily S&P 500. I always look into Nasdaq, right? I think tech stock has huge potential, so therefore I look into Nasdaq, and yeah, and recently has been doing pretty well, so I'm very excited about it, you know. But surprisingly, NIO is flying back. Let's take a look at Tesla. I've been trying to check Tesla out, right? Hey, Tesla is 3%, 757. If you guys had bought the dip, congratulations for Tesla. Yeah. A lot of people sell at this area because they thought, you know, Tesla gonna drop in value, but nah, fam, is 756 already. Let me see, cause I was day trading some of the stock, so I just sold. LGL, you guys saw LGL? I bought LGL when it dipped, so to $23. So now it's 27. LGL, maybe I just share with you guys a little bit. I was looking into LGL. I bought before we went live lah. Yeah, so I'm thinking of maybe selling, or I don't know. Is it this LGL? No. What's this? IRNT. Yeah, this is the one that you guys were seeing just now. So it dropped and wait, is it this? Yeah, it went up like, I don't know. Take a look at this. Freaking crazy, guys. From $17 went at $42, and then slowly dropped back down. But I do see it hitting up $30. I don't know, right? Don't know. Let me know. So I'm tracking it quite closely right now. But you know, Nasdaq is 15,000. Good old, you know, back then when it dropped in what, May, it was at 13,000. Now it's 15,000. Sweet money in the bag, guys. So you know, all this stock, just buy the dip. It is painful, but you know, buy the dip. I think it wouldn't go wrong. No lah, there are a lot of there are quite a number of Pro Share, Ultra Pro, QQQ, TQQQ lah. All this it is in a plus, but I think today sentiment seems to be pretty bad. So we, you know, just see. Yeah, very excited for how things going to move. Leon Lam said, wow, no 20% today. I don't know, man. I don't know. We just gotta see if there is any 20% today. I hope there is, right? I mean, come on, man. Gotta be something, yeah. So yeah, I'm in this stock. Just for your information, I'm in this stock. Disclaimer: I bought at around here, 23. Yeah, when I saw first green candle, Oh yeah, wait, let me show you the VWAP. Okay, so boy, oh boy. Okay, so I saw this red candle, and then like it start to bounce down and down and down, and I saw this green candle, and then I saw the second green candle. Okay, and then I set at 23-ish, and then boom, go up. And right now I think seems pretty good. The highest is 27, so you know I have faith that let's see. Okay, but if anything, I'm still at gain, so it's fine. But yeah, I think Luke Leroy has said it. GameStop, AMC, BB, Clover all dropped together, and totally a coincidence. Yeah, a coincidence. Is it a coincidence? I don't know, you tell me. Yeah, but yeah, it's quite disgusting, huh? See the red candle over here, red candle over here, then just now GameStop, the red candle as well. So yeah, so anyway guys, just want to ask you guys whether it is okay, in the sense that because nowadays I'm trying to focus on a couple of things like school and stuff like that, project, and I don't know, and that's the reason why I didn't do live lah. But would you guys be okay if, you know, I do live for the first half an hour from 9:30 to 10 p.m. and then from there perhaps either I end the live or I just let it roll, and yeah, just let it roll lah. Then while I go and do my stuff, I'm not sure. Okay, I think some of the channel seems pretty interesting where they show the stock running, so I don't know whether I should do that. Yeah. Yeah. But anyway, if you guys want to get into this, I talked about this a couple of, I think my last live. I don't know when is it, but my previous live, because I saw it went from, I don't know, the last live was a couple of days back. So yeah, and then it has crazy run and then crazy run again. Yep. So look at the market cap is 2 billion. So I would say $30 I think is a good price. You guys know what is this? Because frankly speaking, no, I just buy for you know, day trading, and this is my day trading strategy for this. My target for this, because I don't know the stock, right? I don't know what is it, so my target for it is $30, because now it's like, yeah, it's $30. So I think depends. I mean, we are still above the VWAP, so depends on how the price is gonna move. If it move well, then we shall see lah.
I could wait 1,000 days. You never wait for me. You never wait for me. Even when I ran away, you're all that I could see. You're all that I could see when I could hardly walk on my own. I had to lift myself out of the trench below. Haven't I suffered enough to let you go? Let you go, let you go now. You love me right for a minute, even though I tried so hard to forget it. All you do is pave the way so I could reinvent myself.
So Clover is going up 10%. Likewise, AMC is going up. So, and yeah, the good thing is that we have, you know, the Boo has gained back above the VWAP. So I'm very happy about this entire whole thing. So AMC as well is almost 50. Well, pretty awesome, pretty happy. Damn. Today is really awesome day. I don't know why. Yeah, I think for Clover, I think we're just gonna hover around the same price. But this one, come on, man. Yeah, I think it's gonna drop to the VWAP. Oh well. So I just want to share, right? I wanted to do the VWAP video, but I don't know whether it's good. Like, it's not to the best. You know, when before I do a video, I feel that I have a responsibility to do a proper video so that people don't be misguided. But just want to highlight this. Okay, just want to highlight this stock. You take a look at this. When the market opens, it drops way below the VWAP, and then it start to, you know, gain back the momentum. And yeah, so I saw there was 2 green candle, like confirmation. I jump in and everybody start to jump in, try to beat. I was quite worried about it when it couldn't break the VWAP line, couldn't go above actually. But then when it dropped, it kind of hover again. So I just diamond hand, and then it went all the way close to $30. So I think typically this is how it's gonna work, and hopefully the rest of the day is gonna go up to $30. And for, you know, this kind of like Clover, this kind of chart, the white line, yeah. So it start, you see, it stay above the VWAP, and then it start to drop, and then it start to slide down below the VWAP, but then it kind of like gain back momentum. So we shall see. It could go either way. This is where people start to think what's gonna happen next. But then you see, for AMC, we are like AMC technically still below the VWAP, so it's hard to tell. But like things like Tesla, it is above the VWAP. If you guys want to buy something, buy at the VWAP or buy below the VWAP. I mean, okay, it depends. Because when it's below the VWAP, chances are it's very bearish, and it indicate a very bearish indicator, and it's gonna drop. But hold on, I have a visitor. Okay. Yeah, I think Duke Leroy just sent something on Twitter, so I just check it out. Yeah. By the way, I just want to update, like Duke Leroy actually tweet me, like tweet DM me, ask me why I haven't been, you know, online. You know, yeah. Okay, so bro, how you juggle with so many commitments? I think we just gotta do it, you know. Hold up, let me show you guys something. Duke Leroy just sent something. I think Kanoa, right? I don't know how to pronounce your name, but yo, what's up? I think you're new here. Hi. I'm always scared when a streamer gets a random visitor. Yeah, bro. It's actually my friend. He came in and just chill. Okay, hold up. Okay, so Duke Leroy actually sent me this, and yeah, so it has been going up this particular channel, and I do agree that this is what daily chart. What chart? 4-hour chart. Okay, let's take a look at 4-hour chart and see. When was this? Is this today? No. Yeah, but okay, I think I get what you're talking about. It's like following this particular trend, right? Yeah. Yeah, I think that we are following this particular trend, and hey, could not just subscribe. Thank you guys. I'm gonna play it again. How come no sound? Huh? Let me see why there is no sound. Let me play again. Oh, it's Noor. Like Noor. There's a silent K. Where are you from, man? Like, that's a very, I think, quite interesting name. It's Noor. So Noor has just subscribed. Thank you, man. I'm trying to like have these new features for people. You know, it's kind of fun, but holy shit, man. Clover and stuff like start to, you know, bouncing back up above the VWAP. I think seems pretty good, and I think the IRNT, I'll just hold it. I think my target price is $30, and then I'll just exit lah, because I don't really know what's the stock, right? Let's see, you know, CNBC, whether they got show anything, and then let's see. Let's watch it together, guys. Huge war at 10. Let's see if there is a huge war. Yeah, definitely a huge war, but I think if we manage to break a particular this huge wall over here, I think it's fine. Let's see the yeah, there's a huge wall at 10, guys. I don't know about your app, but mine, it shows 100k, a huge wall at $10. So if we manage to break $10, I do see we hit maybe 10, 20. I think I'm satisfied. Yeah, because my options expire 2022 January, so I have quite a lot of time to spare, so it's fine. I think let's watch this CNBC news together about the Federal Reserve's tapering is closing. So let's see, you know, what they have to say. Hold on, let me pause the music over here. Let me change the... Okay.
I do. I think this is a pretty consensus call, and it's consensus in three ways. One is lower growth this year. Two, it's not a recovery lost, it's a recovery postponed, so they didn't bring down next year. In fact, they took up next year, which suggests that you can catch up on it. And underlying this is the paradigm in the marketplace that this is about demand, that the supply issues will go away. I'm not so sure about the supply issues going away, Melissa, but that is very much a conventional call.
How big of a wild card is the supply chain issue and supply constraint issue as you think about the last quarter of the year?
Huge, absolutely huge, because they are so persistent and they're cascading. So this is no longer just about supply chains, as disrupted as they are. This is about transportation, about containers, about port congestion, both at the port of origin and at the port of destination. And it's about persistent labor market shortages. So it's a big issue that we haven't gotten our arms around it yet. I think companies are much more advanced than policymakers and market participants are about this.
Meaning their view of inflation is more prolonged than just transitory? I mean, I'm curious because, you know, the underpinning to the transitory argument had been that anything arising from supply chain disruptions would be short-lived, and yet we have companies coming out, you know, on their earnings call saying it's going to last much, much longer than they had thought, maybe even stretching into early next year.
Yeah, and that's something that I've been concerned about for a while, that people got so focus on base effects and other imbalances that they didn't realize what really was going on the supply side. Yes, it is going to be longer. It's going to be longer both for materials and for labor, and that is not an issue that's factored in. You know, the Fed still believes it's transitory, and unless it extends transitory to include 2 years, this is not going to prove transitory.
Yeah. What's your expectation at this point for taper timeline, and then separately for rate increases?
So my expectation is that the window to taper is closing. They should have done it. They haven't done it. Now they have a weak jobs report. I think the market is absolutely right in saying that we're not likely to get an announcement until December, which means we're not going to start tapering till next year at the earliest. And yet yields are edging higher because yields are also starting to recognize the supply disruptions.
So could the market actually do the Fed's work anyway? I mean, even if taper gets postponed and then therefore rate increases get postponed, we could already feel the impact of higher rates regardless.
Yeah, I don't think they could, because you don't want to be taking a bet against treasuries when you have such a massive buyer, and it's a non-commercial buyer. Always remember, Melissa, it's a non-commercial buyer. They're willing to make losses on what they buy. So very few in the marketplace will take on that massive buyer. So there will be a limit to how much tightening the market itself can do. This is not the old days where the market could do the tightening for the Fed.
When we think about taper timeline, Mohammed, or when you think about it, does that mean rate hikes follow shortly afterward, or are these two decisions divorced in your opinion?
So I think they are related, but the impact is very different. I don't think tapering will have any major impact on the economy. Rate hikes is a different issue. Rate hikes will have an impact on the economy. So I view them as related because you can't have rate hikes until you've gotten through the tapering, but they are very distinct in terms of their economic implications.
Oh yeah, okay, sorry, I'm muted. Okay, so I was saying, is it me or like, you know, this speaker. He speaks very slowly and calmly. Of course, it's good. But I think I've been watching videos at 2x speed, so watching him, you know, speaking rather slowly makes me a little bit sleepy. Okay, so I think it really depends, right? I don't know who, but someone actually needs to hear this. But you gotta stop saving all your money, venture into investing some, yada yada yada. Okay, realize that secret making. Man, all these people wants you to buy into their cause. There's COVID situation is. Bro, you have the best comment. This goes to you, man.
One is lower growth this year.
But yeah, I speak too slowly for me. Halfway through, I just don't, you know, just I'm not here anymore. But anyway, yeah, just let's go back and see one last time. Anyway, I'm oh, okay. So a few red candle bars, but okay, doesn't matter. We are still above the VWAP. I think it's fine. But IRNT, I think if it goes any lower, I'm just gonna exit because I'm still in the gain, but just seeing it drop. I don't know, because I don't know the stock. So again, we need to know our stock, right? I mean, for Clover, AMC, I've been holding because I know there's a huge potential. So see how it goes. Printing hair just as much as yeah, surprisingly it has a full-on hair. But anyway, guys, I think I'll just end this live here because I have commitments to do at 8:30. I mean, early in the morning. I mean, currently where I am at right now in Singapore is like 11 p.m. and I need to get ready for tomorrow's stuff. So I'll see you guys the next live. Hopefully tomorrow. Hopefully I got the time. But yeah, I hope to see you guys again with Clover going up around 9-10% again. Okay, if not, I'll see you guys next video. Bye. See you, goodbye. I end the stream now. I'm thinking of like just let it on and